Here we are going to see 6 best ways to use tomato on your skin to get glowing and beautiful skin. Number 1. Tomato juice. Taking tomato juice thrice in a week can help you to get glow from inside. It's very good solution for all of your skin issues. Number 2. Tomato scrub. Take a tomato slice and dip it in the brown sugar and rub it all of your face and body. It's a very good scrubber to treat dead skin and oiliness. Number 3. Tomato brightening face pack. Take a spoon of sandalwood powder and a spoon of turmeric powder. Then add some tomato juice. Make it as a thick paste. Apply it on your face, leave it for 15 minutes. Then wash your face. This is one of the best result-giving brightening face pack. You must try it. Number 4. Tomato toner. Mix some amount of cucumber juice with tomato juice. Apply it on your face, make it dry for some times, and wash it out. It will act as a natural skin toner, and it will make your skin stay hydrated and healthier. Number 5. Tomato for anti-aging. Take the pulp of 1 tomato and add a few drops of lemon juice to it, mix well, and apply all over the face. Wash with lukewarm water after 10 to 15 minutes. Number 6. Tomato suntan removal pack. Tomatoes are magical when it comes to removing suntan. Applying tomato juice or mixing tomato pulp with aloe vera gel and applying to sun-exposed area may heal irritated skin and reduce suntanning magically. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Follow these simple steps from today to get a glowing and beautiful skin. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also follow other social media platforms. Links in the description below. Thank you.